All right, so we have a lot of deer, which is a problem because they eat all your plants and your flowers and everything good. And they kind of go running through the bush. So we had to put up this deer fence, which we now have at 6.5 foot level. So that's one thing we did, but that's for another day, because today we are laying down these things. These are Montauk blue slabs of stone. So as you know, we put the yurt here. The yurt has a path to fire pit, but it doesn't have a path to the deck, which attaches to the main house. So we thought we'd lay a path from the stairs right to here, so you could go barefooted after you sleep and not walk on any dirt, and be able to get back to civilization from your glamping into the house, into the main property. So we're gonna do that today. Me and my friend Buzz, who you may know is currently tending to the garden or just checking in on our strawberries. How's it looking, Buzz? All right, first things first, before we start laying the path down in front of the yurt to the house, we got to finish these steps off. We had this one stone. What's that?
Why, what's wrong with this?
Yeah, this looks great. We had just that one stone there, but we've ordered long pieces. I think it might only take 3, to be honest. We're gonna get rid of this one. Let's put that over here, actually. You lift, I'll film.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks.
Perfect. All right, our trusty tool shed. Looking terrible. Let's get the level. Check.
Get your safety glasses.
Yeah, those are gonna be very
important
today.
Safety never takes the day off.
Let's take this one, right?
Probably
Shovels. Don't need any drills today, thank God.
I might just...
Yeah, get rid of those. I'm gonna dive into the basement for the gloves. I just need the wheelbarrow. Plan was to wheelbarrow these over until my friend here said, why don't we put them in the back of the car, make it easier on ourselves. So oh my God. Serious work.
Okay.
I don't think we need to wheelbarrow this.
22 more to go.
Drive is probably a better look. Well, at least we know they're not going to fall out. That is just laid in place, not dug out yet. We still need to dig them, but that, my friends, is going to look real nice. This is a fun, quick project. The other one over there, not as quick, but we're gonna put it all in one video.
Fun.
So this right here, which is just a small piece of wood, will be a...
We just agreed, we just use this to kind of level all the dirt out in here and make sure we have an even surface throughout. We'll be leveling lengthways with the big guy, we'll be leveling this way with the small guy. We'll also use this as a makeshift plumb bob. Throw the level on it to make sure we have level front to back. Shouldn't be too bad.
All right, and if you haven't noticed, these two guys don't have mustaches anymore. It was a nice run, but the time has come.
Let's see if we still got the power to get it done right.
You could just get that thing back in there pretty quick.
Oh, it'll come right back.
Yeah, this one, a little longer. All right, we gotta get some shoveling done. Excuse me? What are these?
Little refreshments.
Oh,
perfect.
Thank you. Never had one before. It's Coors Light, it says. Again, not a sponsored ad, but if you know anybody.
We'd love it to be.
Okay, so first thing we do is line up these to your perfect edge. So center them exactly where you want to get them. And then we start to dig the line around to outline them. So we have a perfect, exactly like that.
Felt like Vanna White.
Yeah. So we'll dig that line exactly around them without them moving too much. Then we'll remove the stones, dig out 2-3 inches, try and make it as level as we can, and then place them back in. That take like 15-20 minutes, not bad.
Yeah.
Clear that out, and we're just gonna level it up. remove this, fill it in, put those things back in. I'm just gonna let you know I did all the shoveling and Buzz is just the cleanup crew. Classic. Like any good project on this property, which again we didn't build and we're just making it look better, we keep finding things, and we've just found a full wire, actually 3 wires running through under here, so we got to countersink those and keep this thing level. Look who's back, guys. Just a guy here to cheer us on with some beers. We've cleaned out the whole area. It's looking pretty fresh
And perfectly level.
Perfectly level, but we dug it a 1/4 inch too low, so we're just going to sprinkle some dirt back in. These guys look like they're feeding pigeons in a park, and we're just gonna get it done. How's that pigeon feed, boys?
Oh, yeah, birdie, birdie. Be sure to lift at the back.
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
Down.
All right, last one. Let you guys do this one since I've been, you know, own the place.
Unbelievable. I just want to drop it.
Yeah, how do we do this here? Push back my way. Yep. Oh, left. There we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. No, no, no. All right. Oh boy.
How are the pinkies?
Well, this one.
What do you think? Come over here, take a walk. So solid, right? And look at the floating, like that little line we have. It's so nice, the floating.
What,
So the deck is like floating over the rock.
oh yeah, that looks great.
Yeah.
Way
Take
to
one
go,
of those.
babe. Guys, nicely done, nicely done.
Right? So different. Finish the front entrance there. We're just gonna lay, if you can see all those back there, but we're gonna move them and lay them out just to see how it looks. But sun's going down. We're not gonna put them in tonight. Let me show you what it looks like. Buzz rendered it out. He's a machine with the Fusion 360. So here's how it's gonna look.
We should only have one really long one here.
Yeah, yeah. And that's the
60,
next one. Yeah.
60, 48, 48, and then everything else is a 36.
I think that's right.
Yeah, that's right. Shout out to anyone who's doing masonry work, laying patios, laying pathways. I mean, you got to be jacked, in great shape, but lots of respect for you. Learning a lot, but man, if you're doing this every day, tough on the knees, the back, definitely earning all those dollars you're making. Just watch these guys earning their accommodation over here. Guys, you're looking good here. Wouldn't mind putting a beer on that and just watching it walk by.
You want to zoom in on this muscle here?
That's, can't see it, but.
Give me a minute, it's gonna burst through the shirt.
Okay, okay. Okay, little duck walk. AC resting on your phone.
Like,
Oh yeah, perfectly level.
have all the
All right, we just moved all those. We're wrapping up for the night, but look at this path. We gotta level it, fill in some dirt. We're gonna put some lights in, some grasses, but that is how it's gonna look. You'll leave the yurt here and walk down this all the way. You can come off the fire pit and boom. What's at the end of this golden path? Just this guy. Just this guy. Hannah, how does it look?
It looks so good, babe.
Right?
Yeah.
Looks unreal. Look, it's your favorite tree. We haven't even shown anyone this one yet.
It looks so pretty with the pink in the sky behind
I
it.
know, oh yeah, sunsets. All right, day has come. Finishing these steps with these fools.
call him fool.
I'm only calling a fool the guy that showered before getting to work. I'm starting to think like you just shower for the YouTube videos.
I look good.
Yeah, that is a, ladies, that is a comb over. If you haven't seen a comb over, that's it. All right, what are we doing?
I'm just trying to get a nice visual here as we look down the path. Really want this to align kind of center into the yurt.
All right, so we're gonna dig these in. They are not level.
Also, so happy to be working in a t-shirt.
Me too, yeah.
Again, at least with the shower and the
And the 80 degrees, yeah.
Guarantee he's gonna sweat.
Flannel.
Oh, this will come off.
Got the first ones in.
All very walkable.
Very walkable. Reese is grabbing some gravel. We're gonna lay it in the troughs between the steps right now. See how it looks as a first pass, and then finish the rest of this thing. Yep, running out of light. Time to call it. Good work, boys. Yeehaw! Last day, I'm gonna finish this path off before the electrician comes, put some lights in, and then we're gonna put plants in on either side. But for now, I'm just gonna finish laying out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slabs. Again, we use Montauk bluestone. Put stones in between, wrap it up, wrap this video up, let you guys see how it came out, and yeah, let's get going. By we, I mean I just finished laying the rest of the path today.
Wow.
Although it looks like these guys are always working. No one's filming but me, so you know. There you go, work. Oh, yeah. So we just swept the path. We're gonna fill in all the rest of the lines with rocks. We also cut this linear situation out to allow this trail from the path to kind of swoop in and meet. And it's gonna join right into all these, which is gonna be really nice. So let's get this done. All right, that's about it. We just married this trail into the Yurt steps. Electrician's gonna come, put some path lights in. We're gonna put some ferns on it. That's gonna be for the home tour video of the exterior, which I gotta do. Maybe we're gonna get the drone out for that one, show you the property from above. A couple manual laborists, just hard at work out there. Remember to
Can we take a break?
tip these guys. Reese could use a tip. Probably needs another haircut. But if you're loving these, make sure you subscribe below. We're gonna do more of these. We're threatening to buy a ranch somewhere in Wyoming with these guys. Pipe dreams, but if you're into it, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Buzz says, I'm working on this rendering of the Yurt path.
And then it looks something like that there is what we're kind of going for.